नव्या, आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ पर अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवाना? अच्छा लगा? और यहाँ की चेयर कैसी लगी आपको? डेंटिस्ट चेयर जिस पे आप बैठे, अच्छी लगी? गुड।
5-year-old Navya visited Cosmodent with a complaint of multiple cavities and pain due to the same. She also complained of food particles getting stuck in the mouth, and her mother was obviously very concerned that how will she get the entire treatment done. But me and my team, we made sure that we get to know Navya before treating her. We made her acquainted to all the instruments, all the things that we have in our dental clinic. Slowly and softly, by using tell, show, do technique, we made her acquainted to all the instruments that we have. We also made her do a little exercise of filling the cavities on a dummy by using her own hands and some temporary filling material. Initially, Navya was quite skeptical to enter the dental operatory. She was quite fearful of all the drills and the instruments and the injections that we might have. But we tried to clear her misunderstandings. We made her understand all the instruments and little drills that we have in a very funny and playful way. And gradually we were able to gain her trust, and then we could proceed with the treatment step by step. It took 2 visits to complete Navya's entire treatment. We did her dental fillings, did a couple of root canals and placed zirconia crowns also. At the end of the treatment, we did a preventive fluoride for her, and we made sure that she leaves the clinic with a happy smile.
Teeth extracted and also fluoride treatment done for my 6-year-old daughter Navya from this dental hospital and from the doctor. The doctor was very, very helpful. She actually made sure that my daughter is comfortable before any treatment. She explained us the procedure properly and how it can benefit us and why we should get something done. And she also explained the same thing to the daughters as if she is an adult, and it made the procedure easy for her. In fact, when we went home, my daughter told her cousin that if ever you have a dental issue, there is a hospital where you should be going, and that is a very nice place where she is comfortable getting even the painful treatments done. So it was a nice experience for us. Thank you Cosmodent and Dr. Komal. And I'll just now ask my daughter. So नव्या, आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ पर अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवाना? अच्छा लगा? और यहाँ की चेयर कैसी लगी आपको? डेंटिस्ट चेयर जिस पे आप बैठे, अच्छी लगी? गुड, थैंक यू।